Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The great sage Narada overheard this news, and understanding all the activities of Dhruv Maharaj, he was struck with wonder. He approached Dhruv, and touching the boy's head with his all-virtuous hand, he spoke as follows. When Dhruv Maharaj was talking with his mother, Suniti, of all the incidents that had taken place in the palace, Narad was not present. Thus the question may be raised how Narad overheard all these topics. The answer is that Narad is Trikala Jinya. He is so powerful that he can understand the past, future, and present of everyone's heart, just like the Supersoul, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, after understanding the strong determination of Dhruva Maharaj, Narada came to help him. It may be explained in this way. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is present in everyone's heart, and as soon as he understands that a living entity is serious about entering devotional service, he sends his representative. In this way, Narad was sent to Dhruv Maharaj. This is explained in the Caitanya Charitamrita, Guru Krishna Prasad Paya Bhaktilata Bija. By the grace of the spiritual master and Krishna, one can enter into devotional service. Because of Dhruv Maharaj's determination, Krishna, the Supersoul, immediately sent his representative, Narad, to initiate him.